Alright, hello everybody. We're going to do a quick, I'm going to show you how to put the Lund skirt on, the walk-through curtain skirt, and then how to also install it, and just briefly explain how I did it. So I called my Lund dealer and they sent me this, and they sent me these fasteners. And basically how it goes, the skirt snaps here, snaps here, snaps here, and then snaps here. And then you close the windshield and you install these 3 snaps on the other side, and so you can walk through, close the windshield, and then you snap it up and then it's on. So in order to do these snaps that go into the actual body of the boat, I pre-drilled a smaller hole, smaller than the threads obviously. And I also made sure there was nothing behind the threads when I screwed them in, or drilled the holes out. And then you have to use a special, if you can see it, needs a special little square type screw bit. And thankfully I have that in one of my kits. I'll put the description, I'll put the size drill bit and the size of the square bit I used to screw those in. But it's pretty simple. Like I said, you just snap, 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 and then you fold them. You walk through, put the windshield back, and then you just snap it on here, and it'll block the wind from just blowing right through the boat. And it's good on these, well, today's warm, but when it's colder, like 40-50 degree days. I just want to get this out there because I could not find anything on how to install this or what it looked like installed. So there you go, and have a good one, and I'm gonna go home.